As fighting along the border reignites, Cambodia has accused neighboring Thailand of carrying out military strikes dangerously close to the historic Angkor Wat region. On December 15th, Cambodian authorities alleged that Thai forces bombed targets deep inside Siem Reap province, far from the immediate border zone. Siem Reap is home to Angkor Wat, Cambodia's most famous landmark and top tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year. Officials said the reported strike occurred less than 2 hours from Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site of immense cultural and historical importance. Phnom Penh warned that the attack represented a dangerous escalation in the long-running border conflict between Cambodia and Thailand. Cambodian officials further claimed that Thai forces pushed deep into Cambodian territory during Monday's operation, intensifying fears of a wider conflict. Cambodia's defense ministry stated that a Thai fighter jet carried out a bombing run over the Sri Snam district in Siem Reap province. According to the South China Morning Post, the strike landed near a camp housing displaced civilians, raising alarm over civilian safety. Cambodia's information minister Neth Phitra said this marked the first time Siem Reap had been targeted by an airstrike in the conflict. Phitra claimed that Thai F-16 fighter jets penetrated more than 70 kilometers into Cambodian territory during the alleged operation. Meanwhile, Thai authorities said a BM-21 rocket fired from Cambodian territory landed on a road in Thailand's Sisaket province, roughly 15 kilometers from the border. A bomb disposal team was immediately dispatched to assess the site and determine whether the rocket had fully detonated. Royal Thai Police later confirmed the rocket had already exploded and posed no further danger to the public. Thai police confirmed that the weapon used was fired from a BM-21 multiple rocket launcher system.
From the investigation, the bomb was fired from a BM-21 launcher. From the investigation, it exploded, shrapnel spread and damaged the ground.
Cambodia is known to operate truck-mounted BM-21 rocket systems capable of striking targets up to 30 to 40 kilometers away. Each launcher can fire up to 40 rockets in a single salvo, but the system lacks precision, increasing the risk of collateral damage. The border conflict traces its roots to colonial-era demarcation of an 800-kilometer frontier that remains disputed to this day. 5 days of fighting in July killed dozens of people before a ceasefire was briefly brokered, only to later collapse. Clashes resumed in December, leaving at least 28 soldiers and civilians dead as violence flared once more. Official figures indicate that nearly 800,000 people have been displaced by the most recent round of fighting along the border. Both Bangkok and Phnom Penh maintain that their military actions are purely defensive responses along the contested frontier. Last week, US President Donald Trump said Cambodia and Thailand had agreed to a ceasefire beginning on the night of December 13th. Despite those claims, fighting continued through the weekend, with Thai authorities denying that any truce was in effect. Thailand's Prime Minister Anutin Charnvirakul said his government would keep up the fight to defend national sovereignty. Military officials from both countries confirmed that clashes and strikes continued into Monday with no immediate end in sight. With airstrikes edging closer to Angkor Wat, fears are mounting that the border war is spiraling out of control and threatening a global heritage site.
25 करोड़ गरीब गरीबी को परास्त करके बाहर निकले।
For the good of our nation, let's work together and let's truly make America great again.
The fastest news breaks.
Requested PM saying that look, you will have to speak to Putin and to Zelensky.
The biggest news makers.
The relationship with India is probably the most important bilateral relationship the US will have for the rest of this century.
The capital delivered quite an election result today.
Expert analysis.
The million-dollar question today is how to stop this dance of death.
Ground reports.
I'm standing at the crossroad of the Kumbh Mela. Behind me are more than 100 entry ghats.
Long-form interviews.
Exclusionary politics is reflected in Manipur case as well. You don't bother because this is a small state.
Deep dive into burning issues.
It's often said DRC could be the richest country in the whole world. It's because of what sits underneath.
Why exactly did the US topple the Sheikh Hasina government?
HT videos. We don't just break news, we break it down.